Bundayaw as Trinidad. Wala pa. Peñafiel looking for Bundayaw. Bundayaw looking for Peñafiel. It's a line ball.
Diba ano yun? Bonus counted yun eh. Foul yun eh.
Foul counted yun. Foul counted yun kanina.
Hindi, na-rebound lang. Na-rebound lang yan. Rebound lang. Foul lang yun. Foul.
Pushing foul, diba ang tawag nyo? Counted?
Unang foul. Ay, sa kanya, number 3. Bonus throw.
Kaya kami nag-time out eh.
Nag-time out pa lang yun. Magbubonus throw pa lang.
Rebound nga lang.
Pushing foul na counted.
Nakapag-free throw na yun. Pangalawa na si Trinidad. Pangalawa pa niya na. Si Tres ang makapaw.
Itong
Okay, back to the ball. Tres.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Who's foul? Foul. Who's foul? Prep. Who's foul? Cruz. Foul by Cruz. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
May penalty na ba sila? Ako shooting. First throw by Dance. Wala.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the final quarter.
Second throw by Dance. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Malabana. Malabana layup. Wala. Rebound by Dance. Dance. It's a counter. Plus bonus. Bundayaw. Na-foul si Bundayaw. Bonus shot siya para kay Dance. Bonus shot. Warning for 20. Bonus shot siya. Bonus shot.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Score 56-53.
Bonus shot siya. From Dance. One more. Bakla shoot ha. Time out from the red.
In seconds.
And then she runs to the pastor, and he tells her there will be a new chapter.
Peñafiel. Looking for Malabana. Peñafiel. Pass to Trinidad. Trinidad. 2 points from Trinidad. Malabana.
Last 2 minutes.
It's a traveling. Substitution. Number 16 in, 3 out. Traveling violation.
Time remaining 1 minute and 57 seconds.
Peñafiel. Looking for Cruz.
1 minute and 60.
Peñafiel. Peñafiel, jumper, shot, rebound by number 5, Manuel. Manuel looking for Mel. It's a foul from Peñafiel. Penalty.
Time remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds. 1 minute and 38 seconds.
Penalty na po tayo. First throw by Mel. No point. Second throw by Mel. 2 points. Bruce
1 minute and 35 seconds.
looking for Peñafiel.
1 minute and 30.
Bruce.
1 minute 25, 15 seconds shot clock.
Bruce, jumper. Wala. Pushing back. Number 7. Foul by Mel. Number 7. Ano penalty na rin?
Penalty, ang bilong. Ilang foul pa?
Penalty na rin tayo.
Sino si Mel?
Oh, number 7 Mel. Penalty.
Mel graduate.
Mel graduate. Number 7 graduate. Sub.
Time remaining 1 minute and 20.
Penalty na po. Both teams. 1 point.
Oras daw.
Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20.
Second throw ni Cruz para sa switch gear. Wala. Intercept. Blue ball. It's a blue ball. Jump ball.
Blue ball, blue ball.
Same ball. That. Wala.
51 seconds. Time remaining 51 seconds.
Second throw by Trinidad. Wala pa rin. Bendayaw. Fourth personal foul. Rapi. It's a red ball.
46 seconds.
Press in. Rapi out.
46 seconds. Time remaining 46 seconds. Score 59-56. 3 points lead by Greyhounds.
Peñafiel. Looking for Cruz.
40 seconds.
Cruz. Jumper. It's a foul from Manuel.
Time remaining 38 seconds. 38.
Penalty. 2 free throw yan para kay Cruz. Para sa switch gear. First throw ni Cruz. Wala.
38 seconds. Time remaining 38 seconds.
Pag na-shoot lang, pag na-shoot. Time out kayo.
Second throw. Timeout from the way.
Time remaining 38 seconds. 38. Score 59-57. Greyhounds on the lead by 2 points.
Bay. Bukat na. Ano ang babae?
Bukan na lang.
to the ball game for our last quarter. Sin technical. Technical, nag-PS na siya nung wala pang hindi pa tapos yung ano. Technical yun.
Posisyon niya, no?
Both teams are technical, pati ikaw.
Oh, yun. Oh, yun.
At nanobat ka rin. Ikaw nga, both teams.
Wala, symbol na lang. Symbol. Ano, free throw sila o sila ano?
Pitro kayo, both teams are pitro kayo. Bawal ang mag... Ano nang damit ng hindi pa tapos ang laro. First try.
Sorry, sir.
First shot. Pasok pa rin. Second shot. Sa kabila.
Bawal ba yun? Bakit yung isa walang uniforme?
Hindi naman ako bad.
Red ball.
Teka lang. Rep.
Technical namin bola.
Double technical, Red Bull.
Bola namin kanina eh.
Dapat bola nila.
Technical. Tapos nag-double technical. Amin pa rin yung bola.
Amin din, balik-balik lang.
Amin yung bola.
Okay, Gray. Sa kanila dating bola ng technical kayo dalawa.
Kanina dapat ang bola. Parehas kayo ng technical eh.
Technical na kayo magkabila kanina. Pero sa kanila ang bola.
Okay. 60-59. Time remaining 38 seconds. 38.
Manuel.
35 seconds. Seconds remaining. 31.
Manuel. Looking for Raka. Pass to Darian.
15 seconds shot clock. 28 seconds remaining.
Darian.
10 to shoot.
Leo. Knockout. Number 15.
Time remaining 21 seconds.
Malabana, graduation. Malabana, graduation. Huwag kayong magbubat ng damit na hindi pa tapos ang laban. Technical kayo. Dorian. 1 point.
Time remaining 21 seconds. 21.
9 seconds. Time remaining 9. 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
Ang dami na dyan.
Espelarga. 3-point shot by Espelarga. No good. Follow up. 5 seconds. 5. 4.
Time remaining 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
3 seconds remaining. Penalty.
Two free throw yan para kay penalty yan. Both are in penalty. Two free throw yan. Time remaining 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
61 deadlock.
Wala. Time remaining 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Second shot. Wala. Overtime, 5 minutes.